Your muscles don't get stronger in the gym. They rebuild when you sleep. And if you're over 50, this one truth can change everything you think you know about muscle loss. Most people are told to take omega-3 supplements for muscle strength. Fish oil, capsules, soft gels, every shelf is full of them. But here's what no one explains clearly. Omega-3 alone does not rebuild muscle tissue overnight, especially not aging muscle. If you wake up feeling weak, sore, stiff, or notice your arms and legs slowly shrinking, the real issue is happening at night, when your body is supposed to repair itself but can't. As we age, the body's natural muscle repair signals drop sharply. Protein absorption slows, hormones change, sleep becomes lighter, and the vitamins that control muscle recovery stop working properly. That's why workouts feel harder and results feel smaller year after year. This is where two simple vitamins, taken at night, quietly make a huge difference. The first is vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 is not just a bone vitamin. It directly activates muscle fibers. Without enough D3, muscles struggle to repair micro tears, which means no rebuilding, no strengthening, and no growth. Studies show low vitamin D is strongly linked to muscle weakness, poor balance, and faster muscle loss in older adults. At night, vitamin D3 helps your body release growth and repair signals while you sleep. It improves how muscles respond to protein and helps prevent overnight muscle breakdown. Many seniors take D3 in the morning, but taking it in the evening, with a light meal, allows it to work during your deepest repair window. The second vitamin is magnesium. Magnesium is the real nighttime muscle mineral. It relaxes muscles, calms nerves, and switches the body from stress mode into repair mode. Without magnesium, muscles stay tense, inflamed, and unable to rebuild properly. Magnesium also helps your body use vitamin D3 efficiently. Without it, D3 stays inactive. Together, they work like a team. One sends the repair signal, the other allows the repair to happen. At night, magnesium improves sleep quality, reduces nighttime cramps, and supports protein synthesis inside muscle cells. That's why people who correct magnesium deficiency often wake up feeling stronger, looser, and less sore within weeks. Here's the key mistake many people make. They focus only on supplements like omega-3, but ignore the vitamins that actually control muscle recovery. Omega-3 can reduce inflammation, yes, but it doesn't switch on muscle rebuilding by itself. When vitamin D3 and magnesium are taken consistently at night, the body finally gets what it needs to rebuild muscle while you sleep. This is especially important if you're over 50, don't get much sunlight, feel tired easily, or notice slow recovery after walking or light exercise. You don't need extreme workouts. You don't need heavy weights. You need the right internal environment for muscle repair. Strong muscles mean better balance, better circulation, more energy, less pain, and more independence as you age. So before you spend money on another omega-3 bottle, ask yourself this: are your muscles actually getting the nighttime signals they need to rebuild? Because real strength doesn't come from supplements alone. It comes from giving your body the right tools and at the right time, while you sleep.